Flax seeds are small edible seeds from the North American flax plant. Not only do these seeds add a nutty flavor to dishes, but they're also bursting with nutrients like heart-healthy fats, fiber, plant protein, and key vitamins and minerals. Here's more about their potential health benefits and simple ways to incorporate flax seeds into meals and snacks. So, in this video, we will discuss the health benefits of flax seeds. Hello, and welcome to the Healthy Dad YouTube channel. Hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon for more informative and amazing videos. Let's get started. Number 1. May stabilize your blood sugar levels. Flaxseed may stabilize blood sugar levels and promote blood sugar control. According to the review studies, whole flaxseed may decrease blood sugar and prevent insulin resistance, a condition that impairs the body's ability to regulate blood sugar levels effectively. As such, flaxseed may be particularly helpful if you have type 2 diabetes. Keep in mind that the benefits of flaxseed for blood sugar control apply mostly to whole flaxseed rather than flaxseed oil. This is because flaxseed oil lacks fiber. Number 2. Help you manage your weight. Several studies suggest that flaxseed may aid weight management. One older study found that a drink with flax fiber tablets containing 2.5 grams of soluble fiber reduced feelings of hunger and overall appetite. This is likely because soluble fiber slows digestion and increases feelings of fullness, which may be especially useful if you're trying to lose weight. A large review of studies found that supplementing with flaxseed resulted in significant reductions in body weight, BMI, and belly fat. Number 3. Reducing the risk of cancer. Flaxseed contains omega-3 fatty acids. Research suggests that these may help prevent different types of cancer cells from growing. Flaxseed also contains lignans, which are antioxidants that may slow tumor growth by preventing them from forming new blood vessels. A survey found a lower incidence of breast cancer among females who consumed flaxseed regularly. Also, in 2018, the authors of a review-trusted source concluded that flaxseed may help reduce the risk of breast cancer after menopause. Number 4. May reduce blood pressure. A review of 15 studies found that supplementing with flaxseed products, including flaxseed powder, may significantly lower levels of both systolic and diastolic blood pressure, the top and bottom numbers on a reading, respectively. This seed may be especially effective for those with high blood pressure levels. Taking 4 tablespoons of flaxseed per day reduced blood pressure in those with high levels. Furthermore, taking flaxseed daily for more than 3 months may lower blood pressure levels by 2 mmHg. Number 5. Hair growth. If your hair growth is reduced over some time, flax seeds can help push the growth back on the fast track. This superfood is rich in vitamin E and B, which are essential nutrients for hair growth and thickness. Especially in the past year, a lot of people have found their hair growth reducing due to various factors. Flax seeds can help by strengthening the hair follicle, which not only helps hair grow faster, but also strengthens them. After taking 1 tablespoon of flaxseed powder with 2 tablespoons of curd daily, your hair will be healthier and stronger. Number 6. Reduce dandruff. A flaky scalp can be really hard to tackle, but the problem can be reduced thanks to the omega-3 fatty acids in flax seeds. They bring in the much-needed moisture to your scalp and relieve it from dandruff. The seeds also have anti-inflammatory properties, which soothe any majorly dry sections of your scalp and ease irritation. Applying them in a gel form can be more beneficial as it can do a greater job when applied directly to the scalp. Number 7. Useful in diabetes and heart problems. Flax seeds and flaxseed oil have multiple health benefits that may help people with diabetes manage the condition. Since they're rich in fiber, omega-3 fatty acids, and unique plant compounds, they may improve blood sugar control and insulin sensitivity and reduce risk factors for heart disease. However, you should be mindful before consuming them, as they may interact with other medications prescribed for the treatment of diabetes. Number 8. Boosts brain power. This plant-based source of omega-3 is perfect for vegetarians and vegans. Not only does flax improve brain function, but it helps reduce inflammation and improve circulation. Flax also helps lower cholesterol and balance blood sugar, making it a great supplement to include in any diet. Sprinkle a tablespoon of ground flax seeds to oatmeal or add a tablespoon of flax oil to smoothies or salad dressings. This will be helpful for your brain power. Number 9. Anti-aging components. Flax seeds contain lignans and antioxidants that help in the prevention of fine lines and wrinkles on the face. Also, the fatty acids in flax seeds help in keeping the skin moisturized and smooth. The inherent quality of the flax seeds also helps in keeping the skin tight and lessening sagging with age. So guys, that's all for today. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative and amazing videos. See you soon in the next video. Goodbye.